Hello people and welcome to another chain tutorial. Today I am showing you a half Persian 4-in-1, which is similar to half Persian 3-in-1, but it's a little bit tighter and you will have more that zigzag pattern when looking from the up side of the chain. The minimum aspect ratio for this chain is 4.4 and the general aspect ratio is 4.7 to 5.9. My jump rings are again from 1.2mm wire and the inner diameter is 6mm, so aspect ratio is 5. Now to start this chain, what you need to do is put 4 jump rings through 1 jump ring and then form this pattern, or you don't have to make this pattern, but it makes it easier to start this. Now from here what we do is we will slide the top right jump ring under the bottom left jump ring and at the same time turn the middle jump ring around. And what we will have is this kind of pattern. Now from here just flip the middle jump ring around so that it comes to the top. This is what it looks like on the side. Now next what we do is we add a pair of jump rings, again one closed, one open. The open jump ring will go through from the middle of third and fourth jump ring through third and second jump ring, so that it will be on top of the middle jump ring we had earlier. Then it comes around second and third and goes through the fourth jump ring. Now I hope this shows good on camera. Probably not, since I have to hold this chain, but so middle of third and fourth, through third and through second, like this. Then turn the jump ring a little bit. Like this. Then it goes through the fourth jump ring and here add the closed jump ring behind the fourth jump ring, like this. Now just close your open jump ring and your top weave should be like this. When we look at it here, this is the open jump ring we just added and this is the closed one we added. And from the side this is what it looks like. Now just do that same thing until your chain is the length you want. So open jump ring through the second from right, since it's not anymore the third, and third jump ring from the right, turn your open jump ring so that you can get the last jump ring like this, then add your closed one there. It can just hang there. You can turn it on correct position after you have closed this jump ring. And there you go. Once more, since this can be a little bit confusing, especially since it's hard to show on camera. My fingers are on the way. So, between these two jump rings, through the second from right, through the third from right, turn your open jump ring through the last one on the right, and add your closed at the end. There. Now I will make this chain a little bit longer and show you what it looks like. Okay, here is half Persian 4-in-1 chain. I like this one more than 3-in-1, since it's, like I said, it's tighter and you get more of this zigzag pattern on the top. But it still moves very well with this 5 aspect ratio. Now if you press it a little bit, you can get a little bit looser look. But that's how you make half Persian 4-in-1 chain. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like, subscribe and comment. And comment especially if this wasn't helpful. I really want to know if my tutorials aren't good enough. But thanks for watching and see you in next one.